Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to crochet these cute gloves in 1 hour. You need to make this rectangle and sew the ends. For this project I'm going to use 50 grams of yarn, that is 100% acrylic, a 2.5mm crochet hook, tapestry needles. For the measurements, you need to place the measuring tape on your hand from point A to point B and note on the measurement. For making a chain, make a slip knot. You have to make the chains that will be multiple of 3. I'm going to chain 18, that will be 12 inches long. Making chain, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over again and pull through the loop. After making chains for the desired length, make 3 more chains for the first stage. I will make 3 more chains after making 18 chains, that will be 21 chains. Crochet stitch into the 4th chain, yarn over 2, 3, 4, yarn over again, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again and make a double crochet into the next chain stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Make double crochet stitches in each chain stitch till the end of the row. The first 3 chains we skip will also be counted as stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 stitches. At the end of the row there will be 19 stitches. It's the end of the first row. Now chain 3 for the second row. Start every row with chain 3. Now make a double crochet stitch here. Let's count the stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Stitches in each row should be 6. Here, attach the yarn like this, simple knot. Now I'll show you how to hide this knot and yarn ends. You don't have to hide it in the end. Also, if you want to watch the formal version of these fingerless gloves, I will attach the link in the description below. You can check these 2 gloves tutorials. Now you can see the yarn ends are hidden on both sides. Now make number of rows according to the width of your hand. I'm going to make 15 rows. For taking measurements, wrap the measuring tape around your hand. The measurements, rows according to the width of your hand. This is how it looks like. I will make one more row now. Now it's time to sew the ends. Keep the right side in. Going to make slip stitches. For making slip stitches, pass the hook through the stitches of the first and the last row, yarn over and pull through both stitches and pull through the loop on the hook as well. Make few slip stitches and then put it on your hand, and then stop making and leave the space for the thumb. That's how it looks like. I made slip stitches till 9 stitch. Now I'm going to sew the other side. On the other side I will slip stitch first 3 stitches. Take a needle and make knots and weave in the ends. Hide this yarn in the stitches. Attach the white yarn and chain 1, chain 4 now, and slip stitch into the double crochet stitch. Chain 4 again and again make a slip stitch. Make a bow like this. Now using a tapestry needle, attach the bow. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe.